Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever felt that little knot in your stomach when you think about money? Maybe you're wondering where your paycheck goes every month. Or you have big dreams like buying a house but have no idea where to even start. If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. Because today, we're stripping it all back to the basics. We're talking about personal finance. What is it, and more importantly, why should you even care? Stick around because by the end of this short video, you'll see that it's not as scary as it sounds. All right, let's just rip the Band-Aid off. The term personal finance sounds super official and complicated, right? Like something only people in suits on Wall Street talk about. But here's the real deal. Personal finance is simply the management of your money. That's it. It's the process of handling your financial life. Think of it like a road map. You wouldn't start a road trip without a destination in mind or a GPS, right? Personal finance is your financial GPS. It generally covers 5 main areas. Let's break them down real quick. First, you've got earning. This is your income, your 9-to-5 job, your side hustle, any way that money comes in. Second, spending. This is your budget. It's knowing where your money goes, from your rent and groceries to that morning coffee. Third, saving. This is putting money aside for your short-term goals, things like an emergency fund for when your car breaks down, or saving up for a vacation. Fourth, investing. This is where you make your money work for you. It's how you build long-term wealth for huge goals like retirement by buying things like stocks and ETFs. And fifth, protecting. This is about shielding yourself from financial disaster with things like insurance. So, earning, spending, saving, investing, and protecting. That's all personal finance is. It's creating a plan for these 5 things so you can achieve your goals. Okay, so now we know what it is, but let's get to the important part. Why does it matter? Why should you spend any time on this? I'll give you 3 big reasons. Number 1, freedom from stress. Let's be real. Money is one of the biggest sources of stress and anxiety for people. Not knowing if you can pay your bills, being deep in debt, that stuff weighs on you. When you have a financial plan, you're not guessing anymore. You have control. That control brings peace of mind. And honestly, you can't put a price on that. Number 2, the power to choose. Good personal finance gives you options. It gives you freedom. Freedom to quit a job you hate, to start your own business, to take a year off to travel, or to help your family when they need it. When you're not living paycheck to paycheck, you're no longer a passenger in your own life. You're in the driver's seat. You get to make choices based on what you want to do, not what you have to do. And number 3, building your dream future. This is the big one. Personal finance isn't about depriving yourself, never buying a latte again. It's the exact opposite. It's about designing the life you actually want. Do you want to retire early and live on a beach? Do you want to buy a home for your family? Do you want to make sure your kids can go to college without debt? Those things don't just happen by accident. They happen with a plan. Personal finance is the tool you use to build that future, brick by brick. Look, personal finance is not a math test. It's a life skill. Just like learning to cook or drive a car, anyone can learn it. You don't need to be a genius, and you don't need to be rich to start. You just have to decide that your future is worth planning for. And that's what this channel is all about, breaking down every single one of these topics into simple 4 to 5 minute finance videos to give you the roadmap you need. So that's the what and the why of personal finance. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me what's the number 1 financial goal you're working towards right now. It could be paying off a credit card, saving for a down payment, anything. Let's get the conversation started. And if you found this video helpful and want to finally take control of your money this year, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And of course, subscribe and ring that notification bell. I'll be posting simple 4 to 5 minute finance videos every single week, and you won't want to miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and